Alright, use the skate park now.
Find somewhere to sit down.
So there you go. Hit up there now. Take a cruise around the park. These are cruise around the park. Little cruise. Yeah, and Didi in a place in there. Yeah, one of Jamaica's finest. Have it, you know. It's getting dark, I park now. You see it? See it's kind of scanty today. A lot of skateboarders them down here today. You know? See it? Yeah, man. It's always a great time in Fordham Park, you see it? Yeah, man. Good man, have a bite, you know?